In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make AKPLE. You will call it banku, but I will tell you why it is called AKPLE in one of my next videos that will be coming. When you go to the central part of Ghana, they have similar food called imbor or etel. So with that, they don't add cassava dough, but with this, we add cassava dough to our corn dough to make it very soft. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. So I have my cassava dough. As you can see, the cassava dough is a bit plentier than the corn dough. Okay, I will mix it with enough water. Okay, and then add some salt. If today is the first time here, I'm so glad you are here. I hope you are fine. And to my returning subscribers, I hope you are all fine. Please, if you haven't followed or subscribed, can you do so for me and share to others? Please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We clocked 20k followers yesterday. Hooray! Thank you, 20k followers. So now I am going to check if my water is enough, and I can see that I'm not going to struggle on the way by adding water to it because it is very soft, peche. So it means it's not going to be very hard for me to be adding water and be struggling. When you go to the central part of Ghana, when we were very little, okay, like when in the 90s, okay, the imbor or the etel sellers, when they prepare their etel and they want to see whether it is well prepared or well cooked or it is ready, okay, what they do is that they paste it on the wall. So when they paste it on the wall and it removes, it means the etel is ready. And if it sticks to the wall, it means it is not ready and it may not last longer. So when you get to Nyamransa, you see those who are selling that etel there. Oh my goodness, this is free advert. Those women, they are good cooks. Yes, their etel can stay like 2 million years. I'm exaggerating, but I just want to tell you that they are good cooks. Okay, so it is the same formula that I'm going to use here since I'm a Fanti and a Voltarian. So what I do is that I'll be fetching my banku and then we do the test together. I covered my banku with that because I can't use the cover, it is too full. And when I covered it, you can see that water around it. Yes, that is the vapor. Okay, so that is going to make my banku very soft instead of adding water to it. Okay, and I'm trying to stay away from water. My auntie, my sister, and my bestie taught me how to prepare banku. I'm very sure my elder brother is laughing at me right now. He'll be like, hey, Kate Pani. Sometimes when I prepare the banku, it can stay like 2 days, but then it spoils. Yes, because I'm not a kitchen girl. I wasn't a kitchen girl, but I was a market girl. Okay, it was when mommy left us. That was the time that I started preparing food, and now I'm a pro. So you can see it has stick to the bowl. I didn't dip the bowl in water. I have stayed away from water. You can see right down it has stick, but it wasn't big as first. Now it has removed, but I have some more there. We are getting there. You should be able to remove from the bowl without you dipping it in water. Okay, so now it's removed. So our banku is ready. When it happens like that, it means the banku is dry and there is no water there. When making something like kaku or momane, even though the salt prevents it from spoiling, but the salt extracts the water from the momane or kaku, and because of that it stays longer. So anything that has water in, it spoils early. Okay, just put onion close to water, it will spoil early, but if it is at where it is dry, it is not going to spoil. So just apply this, and if you are a student, this will help you. Our banku is ready. You can wrap it in the rubber or in plantain leaves, or stay away from this. I know someone will tell me it's not good in the comment section. Yeah, I know. Okay, everything, most of the things that we eat on this earth nowadays, is some of them are not healthy, but it's God's own protection. That is why we are still alive. So I know it. Okay, thank you so much. When you wrap the banku, please let air pass through it. Okay, don't put it in a warmer and cover it. That one, it won't stay longer, it will spoil. Just leave it on the countertop or your corner somewhere. Let air pass through it. It can stay longer. When it was left with 2 months for us to leave this place, you can see the background is old background. My husband was like, your banku is still there? I said yes. It can stay like 6 months depending on how you made it. Thank you so much, and I know you will try this hard. See you in the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.